Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today we are going to discuss the battery equivalent of the CR1616. So you can find it online usually under this exact name, but you can find it under other names as well, other abbreviations which are going to be for the exact same watch battery. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to this exact watch battery, and also insert a picture where you can see a bunch of different abbreviations when it comes to this exact watch battery. So you can also find it with DL, ECR, BR, and even DL 1616, even 1616B. So it is very useful to know that all of these are abbreviations to the exact watch battery type. Also guys, as you can see here on the table, I have a bunch of different watch battery types, and I'm going to make separate videos with each and one of them and their battery equivalent, so that you can go and find the exact watch battery that you need online. If that sounds good guys, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel in case you are into watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials, watch reviews, and watch unboxing videos. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.